tumaan kung ano nangyari sa nakalipas sa second set.
Well, definitely a better performance para dito sa Arellano University. They led the score in terms of attacks, 13 as opposed to only 8 ng FEU. Despite, of course, yung magandang blocking na nakita natin from the Lady Tamaraws, ano? So, isa pang ano dyan, naunahan nila itong FEU. And yun ang isa sa pinakamalaking advantage na nakuha nila in the second set.
And the Lady Tamaraws are hoping that they start out better compared to the way they did in the past second set. And I felt that their defense really was a scrambling type of defense that did not hold water, so to speak. At kinatasan yun ng gusto ng Arellano Lady Chiefs.
That's right. And sinasabi nga natin kanina, no, most of the points scored by Arellano, clean, ano siya, pag pumalo sila, makikita mo walang depensang humahabol.
Butas na butas, ano?
Talaga. And they really capitalized on that in the second set. Nakakuha sila ng magandang lamang. At ang maganda doon, hindi sila nag-relax.
Totoo. At timely rin yung ceasefire na tinawag ni Coach Obet. Pero ang laking bagay na 7 yung puhunan nila na set points.
That's right.
Kinain pero masyadong malaki yung lamang.
Oo. At ngayon, ano, si Coach Obet sticking with the same 6 na ginamit niya nung second set.
At ito namang si Coach Shaq, bumunot. Ginagamit si Kasugod na siyang pinakamalaking player para dito sa FEU.
We have some violations.
Net touch, galing kay Casas.
At marami tayong nakitang ganyan in the previous set also.
Isang bagay na kailangan makasanayan ng mga players natin at maka-adjust sila. Nagrito cross-court for Pons. Down the line attempt for Pons, too tight. Napakagandang isipin kung ano ang thought process sa mga umaatake, di ba? Gaano kabilis ka magdesisyon bago ka pumalo.
Because everything happens
so quickly. Oo. Tulad yan. Bitin na bitin para dito kay Kasugod.
Ang nakikita natin yung Coach Ronnie, yung adjustment sa spikers, hindi nangyayari. Ano? Pagka medyo napalabas ng konti yung set, hindi nakakapag-adjust tulad ni Pons at si Kasugod. No?
So kanino yan? Sa kanila o kay Negrito?
Well, pareho rin yan. Kasi kahit pangit yung set, ang sinasabi palagi ng coach, hindi ka dapat mamili. You have to adjust. And si Pons bumawi with that attack.
That was a torpedo na pinakawalan itong si Bernadette Pons. Baon na baon. Ultra Fast Pack is brought to you by PLDT of Ultra. Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Sugod. Late entry in this match. Kasugod with an ace. Napangiti. Genevieve Kasugod.
That point.
If it's fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Genevieve Kasugod.
And one more. Swerte itong si Kasugod sa kanyang service.
Showing us that she is not just a tall lady, pero impact player itong si Kasugod upon her entry dito sa lineup ng FEU. Galang this time. Good reception. CJ sweeping that ball in. Once adjusting. Off speed. Galang diving. Backset para kay Elaine Sagon. Buhay pa ang bola. Grabe ang first at second jumps itong si Bernadette Pons. Ano? Henson extremely quiet. Getting a check ball.
Importante dyan para sa mga spikers kung explosive yung iyong pagtalon.
Things that you work on, things that you try and get better with as you play different teams. At masakit yan for CJ.
Yung bato pa lang niya,
mababa, ano? So walang ipunto na si Galang ang laking bagay dito sa depensa ng Arellano.
Really keeping the ball alive.
Sipag, bilis.
Yung winawalis talaga yung talaga lahat ng pupuntahan ng bola. And hindi lang yan sa ang importante dyan, marunong siya magbasa. Saan pupunta yung bola.
Kaya tinatawag na sweeper sa football. Pwedeng equivalent ito ng sweeper dahil maski hindi mo pindutin yung side-to-side action niya. Diving for the ball, effective with her digs. Pero ang pinaka-impressed ako yung service reception niya.
Dahil makikita mo pag okay yung service reception, kung hindi gumagalaw ang inyong setter, hindi siya mapapagod.
Hindi nawawala sa pwesto. Oops! Palo pa lang. Makikita mo sa tunog pa lang. Ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as $9.99. Way too long for Dana Henson. Could be. But our players are feeling a little tired. Napakabigat ng mga palitan at mahaba.
Mahaba yung rally.
Haba.
Pero yung mga yan, bata pa eh. They
Totoo.
can last up to 5 sets. But of course, there will be some fatigue na rin that will kick in kung mahaba.
Sagon rising. Sagon attacking. Negrito. FEU going down the line. FEU will not find the inside of the court.
Nahihirapan ng FEU ngayon, hindi ganun ka-accurate ang kanilang mga palo. Ang daming
Saan
lumalabas.
pumupunta, oo. Tatlong attack errors at least ang nakita natin. Oops. Negrito. Pons. Oh, nice. Good angle. 8-6 para dito sa FEU. Sa ating first tactical timeout at nakikita natin dito, Ann, na nakuha na ng FEU uli yung timing nila. They did not allow themselves to fall behind. As we listen in dito kay Coach Robert Javier.
Isa lang magiging target niya, itong lugar na to. So bakit hindi natin pagandaan yung pag-atake ng backline? Ba't hindi yung pagandaan kagad yung lugar na to? Kanina pa yan eh, nakailang sa punta tayo rito. Pangalawa, Elaine, ang layo ng panggagalingan ng bola, hindi mo na i-adjust yung sarili mo. Dalawa lang ang spiker mo kabila ah. Nasa likod ka pa, una ka na.
Nahanap siya.
Okay, i-run mo si Shirley, paraningin mo. Sisiguraduhin mo pag nag-run ka, Shirley, makukuha mo yung attention nito. Ha? I-run mo, tapos dapat mo rin kay Benji ng open.
Dalawa lang.
Coach Robert Javier is staying with the lineup that he opened with. At titignan natin ang mangyayari dito pagkatapos ng first tactical timeout. Tricia, what do you have for us?
You know what, Ann and Coach Ronnie, prior to today's game, I had the chance to talk to FEU new starting liberos and sabi nila sa akin na nakaka-pressure at napakahirap daw filling in the shoes of former superstar Tin Agno. And Coach Shaq noted that the same pressure crippled the Lady Tams in the second set. Wala naman daw dapat ikatakot pero parang nervyos na nervyos. Humabol naman daw sana but the efforts were too late. He says that miracle comebacks are impressive to watch but it can't always be done and it's too much of a gamble in games like this. Both Coach Shaq and Coach Bert want their squads to be more dominant and consistent, but they also don't want to take the fun out of the game. Quite interestingly, they ended their huddle saying na enjoy nyo lang ang laro. Natural yan lalabas kapag mas masaya kayo. Back to you guys.
At masaya rito ang FEU. I feel that Negrito is playing so much better here in the third set compared to the second set. At maski nasagot doon si Pons, binalikan niya at binigyan niya ulit ng isang magandang set.
Ang importante talaga yung diskarte. Dapat
Yes.
hindi mawala.
Kasi pag naalog ka, may tinatawag akong ripple effect eh. Takes a while for the water to stabilize, ika nga, pag naalog. Kaya kailangan, maski ano mangyari, desidido ka,
Steady,
oo. The mind setting is always important in any sport. Alanganin for Ginoo, ginawa ng paraan. Tubiera. Oh my. So much power for Menchi Tubiera.
Itong si Tubiera, good addition din, ipinasok siya ng second set and I think that's why Coach Robert decided to stick with the 6 that he used in the second set.
No mabayad, no aganon, no problem for Arellano. But FEU, with a 2-point cushion, malaki rin si Lilet mabayad eh, no?
Also very tall.
Long-legged. The official ball of the Shakey's B-League, Mikasa.
Kaya importante rin talagang, yun nga ginagawa ni Coach Obit, tapatan ng height, Kung may kasugod ang FEU, meron siyang babayad.
Sugod has made an impact para dito sa FEU. Mabayad looking for a check ball on Kasugod.
There's none.
Ang laki ni Kasugod, Sapatos pa lang, Ang laki, no?
Oo. Matangkad naman siyang tao.
FEU 11, Arellano 8. Tubiera, blocked. Tubiera and Arellano with 8 points. FEU now on top by 4, 12-8.
Coach, sino yung nandito? Libero? Dito ka na, Menji. Dito ka na banda. Kapag na-receive natin yung bola, Menji, pag serve niya, lapas ka na rito. Huwag kang mag-receive, ha? Boss, pasok ka rito, pasok mo rito ng quick. Kunin mo si Kasugod. Ako. Magigira sa'yo, Menji, yung setter. Si Menji ka pa rin pupunta ka.
Very specific ang play niya, coach, ano? It's all about getting your blocker to commit. Tingnan natin.
And let's see if they'll be able to execute that pattern na kinrockets ni Coach Obet Javier. Pero nagbanggaan doon si Henson at si Galang. And FEU, had golden chances but they failed to execute.
Pons is not as consistent, ano, in today's game. Maraming attack errors
At least 6, ano?
so far.
Javier attacking Pons. Pons once again getting that serving from Negrito. Pons once again. Off speed, deep. Oh, very rare. For Galang, not to cover that deep.
Itong si Galang currently, no, in terms of receiving and digging efficiency,
Pass.
siya yung relatively higher, no, than the others at about 30%. Sa FEU, nasa mga 20% lang. So,
Malayo yun. Henson against 2. Negrito back set. Oh, nice for Pasas.
she enjoyed that one.
Natawa ako sa reaction after.
Napasayaw siya doon
Napatrapped.
sa tuwa.
Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for hashtag. Maganda ang nilaro ni Basas doon sa first set. Natahimik ng second set dahil naiwanan sila ng maaga. 49 for FAU. Third set, Mabayad with a quick. Oops, nalunod. Si Basas, dinuhay. Pons with a drop. Henson. Walang buelo-buelo. Negrito, cross-court set. For Pons, down the line cover coming from Galang. Tight for Henson, will get a check ball.
Henson, really deceiving pag tinignan mo. Parang iisipin mo saan kukuha ng power tong batang to.
Parang may turbo boost yung mga paa.
Tapos biglang pag pumalo na.
Pag pumalo, parang activate. FU still on top by 4. Oops, naipit si Pons. Na-deflect doon ni Sagon. Henson. Oops, good cover by Negrito, pero nawala sa transition itong FU. Back set, tight. Basa saving that play. Pons once again attacking. Javier with a nice dig. Henson against 2. Oh, cross court. Wow.
2 points in a row for Henson.
Activate, activate.
Yun ang ano. Ma-maximize mo ang kanyang presence sa front line.
We also have to give credit dito sa setter ng Arellano, who time and again has located and connected with Dana Henson. Dahil walang iba kundi si Ramirez. Ang ganda nung lead-in natin.
Oo. Diniretso lang niya sa net. But nonetheless, ang maganda dito, no, si Ramirez nagagamit niya yung kanyang mga attackers at nababalasa rin niya.
Sugod and FEU 15, Arellano 11. Ramirez going to Henson once again. Henson blocked. Good second effort coming from Mabayad. Combination play, Henson. Almost, but not quite. Henson has been the focal point of the offense of Arellano here in the third. So parang hindi napapagod, di man lang humihinga ng malalim.
Oh, actually, I was about to say.
Parang
walang deep breathing.
Inhale, okay na. Ako pag napagod ako butas ng ilong ko, lock. Sorry.
Siya wala.
Oo, 16-12, second technical timeout. FEU, 4 na puntos na kalamangan. Welcome back to the Shakey's League. For billing updates, GMA International, at yan po ang mga social media sites that you can check out. Patuloy po ang laban ng Arellano kontra sa FEU Lady Tamaraws, pero ating unang bigyang pugay ang Juanta family, ang ating Ultrafan family of the game. Aba, ibang style. Si Sir Rogelia, Maria Sheila, Renz at Jane. Iba, wagay-way na shirt. Pwede.
Pwede rin.
Pwede yan. Pwede yan. Salamagos with a sweep. Arellano scores 16-13. Third set, Coach Obet Javier. And the Lady Chiefs looking to fight back. Dana Henson. Dana the Fairy Henson.
Oh, look at that serve!
Ayun na. Diretso sa Ligarda.
Saan nakukuha yung power na yun? Matanong nga to si Dan at makabili.
Hindi man lang humihinga ng pagkalalim-lalim.
If people were wondering, we're not pero talaga if you see her in person kasi
Walang biro.
isipin mo talagang ang payat kasi ni
Oo.
Dana, pero saan niya kinukuha yung power is the question.
Saan hinuhugot?
Oo.
16-14 para pa rin sa FEU. Out of control. No angle, no vision. As Dana Henson rallies the Lady Chiefs. And as in the same storyline that we've seen in the first two sets, mukhang hanggang dulo na naman itong higpitan na ito, Ann. Sagon, oops.
Oh,
Uy,
Palma trying to seal that point immediately.
the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League, Axel. Job Gonzaga getting a long rest as Cuyana takes over the spot of Negrito.
Ito ngayon si Coach Shaq. Sinisiguradong tatlo ang opensa sa harap.
Mga situational subs na tinatawag, importante yan. Ganda naman ng serve na yun ni Cuyana. Good dump.
Oh, but that's,
Tumama sa net.
well, I think backliner, kanilang setter.
Mental
Overreaching.
lapse. Oo. Mental lapse para dito kay Rhea Ramirez. Ramirez going to Sagun. Oops. Once, alanganin. Kitang-kita mo, alanganin.
Nag-alangan din siya dun sa pagbigay ng bola sa kanya.
Mina Ganon. Angelica Negacion.
Same situational
Oo.
substitution
Correct.
that Coach Shaq did.
Angelica Negacion for Arellano. Cuyuna going to Gonzaga. Henson. For Arellano. Oops, alanganin para kay Jovelyn.
And left-handed pa siya ng lagay na yan. So,
Arellano threatening. Ultra fast LTE for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as $9.99.
ang lamang ngayon, Coach Ronnie, nitong Arellano, they are able to minimize yung kanilang errors,
Kanina mo pa binabanggit yan na mas malinis yung transition ng Arellano. But still, ang FEU may 2 puntos o 2 inhale-exhale na kalamangan laban dito sa Lady Chiefs as Palma also returns. Ang tataas ng mga players ng FEU. May Kasugot, may Palma,
May
may
Gonzaga.
Gonzaga. Legacion. Tuto Biera. Excellent. Excellent. Para dito kay Legacion. Ang ganda. Bumeke.
Yung ease of setting up kung maganda ang first ball.
Tama.
Dahil hindi niya kinailangan tumakbo, Sakto sa kanya, the ball was really fed to her.
Designated server Nika Carino. Poised to tie this match. Rather, this third set. 18 serving 19. Gonzaga attacking to Biera. Legacion to Aganon, cross court. Fermina. Uy! FEU. Attack error.
Oh, si Ginoo. I think the intention was to go off speed or yung kahinang palo. Doon na nag-a-up ng malakas na palo ang Arellano. Pero
Namatay yung
kinulang.
bola sa
Oo.
gilid nila. Ika Carino with another solid serve. Gonzaga with a drop. Good save by Mabayad. Aganon going deep. Kayuna going to Kasugot. Kasugot converts. Ganda ng bunot dito ni Coach Shaq dito kay Kasugot. Genevieve Kasugot. Tallest player for the FEU Lady Tamaraws.
Itong si Kasugod, ano na rin to eh, naisabak na rin to ni Coach Shaq. Before, so sanay na rin yan.
Why is it that FEU is still 2 points ahead? Gayong ayon nga sa iyong pagkwento kanina, maganda naman ang nakikita mong transition at execution ng Arellano.
Paisa-isa, pero ang nakikita natin dito, kahit papano, nakukuha pa rin ng FE yung pumuntos.
Katulad
Just
niyan.
like that. Hindi, it's not a continuous streak of points, pero yung paisa-isang nakukuha nila still helps.
The shoes on the other foot. If it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's at this stage. Doon sa nakalipas na set. Arellano may ganitong kalamangan at eventually it turned into a 24-19 lead for them. Now it's 23-19 for FEU.
Very good advantage para sa kupunan ng FEU para bumawi sa kanilang pagkatalo in the second set.
Malapit na malayo yan, ha? Kunin lang muna natin yung receive. Kailangan pag pumasok, ibig mo, ha? B-tres lang, ha? Pag pumasok si Cody, yung bibigyan mo siya, siguro mo tama ang bola. Pag binigay mo kay Mida, tres, pero huwag mong idikit sa net. Kasi single ba kayo dyan sa dalawang gilid ng target zone. Pero i-choice mo yung kakapakapakapit. Sige.
23 for FEU, 19 for Arellano U.
Looks like yung pag-shuffle ni Coach Shaq ng kanyang players, changing up his lineup has worked to their advantage here in the third. Dahil hindi na rin niya pinalan si Kasugod
Yes.
He really stuck with this set of players.
Alam mo, coaches are gamblers, really. They take risks. Kasi, masyado ka namang high percentage na miskarte, hindi ka gagalaw.
And you become very predictable.
And stagnant. 23-20 to Biara looking to rescue. Itong Lady Chiefs in the third set. Pons goes deep. Cross court and so deep. Biara failing to cover and defend. 4 set points. Tangan dito ng FEU Lady Tamaraws. FEU with 4 set points looking to stay ahead by a set laban dito sa Arellano University. Back set Legacion, Aganon.
Oh, that's too far.
Ang ganda rin ng sagot ni Mabayad, Napatay niya yung bola
Ngayon ang importante, kumapit ang Arellano during the third set. Maidikit nila ang kanilang score.
21 serving 24. Mina Aganon mapupunta na sa likuran. Good reception para dito sa FEU, and because of that good service reception by their libero, as si Atienza, Bernadette Pons is able to close the door. Laban dito sa Arellano Lady Chiefs, as Arellano wins the third set na pareho ng score sa ating second set at 25-21. And that last sequence closes the third set para dito sa FEU. Winning it by 4 points, 25-21. And now this match is in favor of FEU on top by a set laban sa Arellano University.